faces a huge challenge: to make it to the ocean. But they still have a long way to go, and danger awaits. Black vultures are gathering, and they're hungry. Now, the genius of the turtle's strategy becomes clear. Across this beach, thousands of nests have emerged. Up to 1 million olive ridley hatchlings can surface in a single day, some of the largest gatherings of sea turtles on the planet. By hatching together, each turtle improves their chances of survival, and about 80% of hatchlings make it to the ocean. Working together, they've overcome their first great challenge in life.